Hi all, Planetside Agent here. Today I'm going to go ahead and try using the Esbit stainless steel coffee maker using a wood stove. In this case, a wood gassifier stove that I made out of a quart paint can and a Progresso soup can. So anyway, I got everything kind of prepped here. Now I'm going to move outside and set it up, get it fired up, and we can watch it brew, and then I'll do the taste test to see how tasty it brews. So far in the continuing saga of the Esbit coffee maker, when I did it on the Fancy Feast, I thought the coffee came out very weak and basically undrinkable. When I used the burner that comes with the coffee maker and a couple of Esbit tablets, it worked as advertised. It was good. So anyway, we'll see how it works. I suspect it will, since the fire from the wood fire will be more even heat underneath, where the Fancy Feast, the fire kind of came up the side. So we'll see. So I'm going to go take this outside. Okay, I'm all set up here in the backyard. I chose today because it's fairly balmy, only 50 degrees and no wind or rain, so it's perfect for doing an outside test with a wood stove. So anyway, I got everything. You can kind of see the setup here. I got the stove, the coffee maker, and a cup, and I did stick the coffee maker on a little piece of 2x4 to raise it up a little bit. I have seen other videos where people pretty much shoot it from this distance and it seems to work, so I'm going to do it that way too. So anyway, let me go ahead and we'll start the fire off here. Take this off until the fire gets going. Okay, got the fire started here. I'll go ahead and turn this off until the fire really gets going and I'm ready to actually start the coffee making process. So, see you in a minute. Okay, looks like the fire is going pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put the coffee maker on and we'll see what's going to happen. Do a little burning myself. There we go. Now, yeah, that doesn't affect the pressure relief valve, having the flames right on it, but maybe I'll scoot it back a little bit. I'm expecting this is going to brew pretty quick based on the results from the Fancy Feast. It started brewing in about 3 minutes, so it's only about 10 ounces of water, so it doesn't take too long. A little longer on the Esbit, but not quite as much heat comes out of those. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this run. If it drags on too long, I'll just probably cut part of that out. I was hesitant on using the wood stove because I didn't want to have to clean the soot off my coffee maker, but somebody asked about it, and what the heck, I decided to go ahead and do it. Yeah, the fire died down and I didn't put more fuel on quick enough. Now I've got to wait for the new batch to start back up again. I haven't used these kind of stoves. I have no experience, so I'm kind of learning as you're watching. I'm surprised. I thought it probably would have started brewing sooner than this. Aha! Here we go. Yeah, it's coming out of there nice and dark, so I assume this is going to be a decent cup of coffee. The flame's really going well now. Oh, wow. Hey. Well, I'd say that's done. I'm going to go ahead and take the coffee maker out. That way I don't scorch what's left in the bottom of the pot. That's a good fire going there now. So now, I guess I'm going to have a cup of coffee over the campfire. So let's test out the coffee. Smells good. Oh yeah, that's good. So looks like using the Esbit coffee maker over a wood stove works just fine. I think, like I thought, because it has more even heat on the bottom, it's going to brew a lot better. So yeah, that fire's really going good. I don't know if you can see it or not. The wood gas is really coming out. Well, this is not a wood gas video. So there you go. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.